I'm Mahir. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Chennai as well. I started this degree since my first year in college. So parallelly, I've been doing the entire thing along with my engineering degree. So now I'm also working in Comcast as a development engineer, thanks to the skills I learned in this program. One more thing I want to make clear is that my engineering major is in electronics and communication engineering. I didn't like it that much, and that's why I pivoted towards this degree to learn the skills of an development engineer because mainly in my first year of college, I had learned Python, and I thought I had an interest in that because some of my peers were really competitive in that field, and I don't fond of learning computer science fundamentals basically. So I ventured further into this program, and I really enjoy my time learning stuff, and that's why I think I was able to secure this job as a development engineer in Comcast, and that's entirely thanks to this degree, the learning that I had here, and yeah, like as a student, this is what actually motivated me to join this program and learn the fundamentals of computer science as well as the basics and advancements made in the machine learning field. This program helped me do that because we had to do a lot of research for all of these projects and courses that we're doing, and this program helped me with that ability. I can say that with a good amount of confidence. Yeah,
Favorite
my favorite
faculty?
course was large language models. It was taught really well. The facts that were presented, I really liked the way in which the course was held. Actually, the both the practical part of it, like us practicing implementing the transformers model and everything, and the visualizations really helped us in understanding how everything works inside a transformer model, etc. So I really worked hard for that course to understand everything from the mathematical aspect and to build my own transformer and stuff. So from a course standpoint, I think that is the best course that this degree is offering. And then my favorite professor is Andrew Sir, actually from statistics too. Like I really like this way of monotone teaching. It was really good actually. Like that is the one of the only courses in which I go back to the videos and watch the videos instead of just using the slides for revision. I'm feeling it's a little bit of boredom actually, but I'm filling it with other stuff. Like I'm just like reading the latest papers in AI development and stuff. That's what I said before, right? This course helps us in understanding what research is and how it is done. So in this way, like I'm just filling myself with latest developments in the world around myself. So yeah, this is fun in a way as well. Like Comcast, I got it as a on-campus placement in my SSM college, but the skills I learned in this program helped me move into the company as a development engineer compared to some people who have went in as some other roles like business analyst or incident management, incident analyst, etc. So this helped me propel towards that you know that job designation basically. And yeah, like we have a tool for monitoring our metrics in our company. So I'm developing the features for it. If I can say it in a high level. And yeah, we're also employing AI models in performing some automation stuff as well. So this degree helped me in that. Because I've been appreciated for suggesting some of the architectural changes that we can do in a way that reduces cost and in a way that increases accuracy and stuff. So I think all of those praise should go to this degree because this helped me doing the research, and obviously large language models help me understand the fundamentals on how AI models work. Yeah, like some of the friends I had in BS program, I also I had really good friends in BS program. Suraj, you were talking to before, right? We collabed in software engineering project, and I had met him during last year's Paradox as well. He's a really good friend, and I have some more friends from the software engineering project. And yeah, before I think Paradox 2023, I was in the organizing committee, so I had a lot of friends in there as well. We used to hang out. They are also Chennai people. Yeah, actually, this isn't come to mind. You know Ashwath, right? Yeah, Ashwath from my college,
Yeah, yeah,
and
Kirupa and 23
Kirupa,
batch was all that.
Ashwath, Vinay,
Vamsi.
Vamsi.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody. All of these are friends actually. So yeah,
Oh,
we used to hang out even after BS degree as well. So it's fun. Before exams, the live sessions are really helpful when trying to clear doubts regarding certain technical aspects of the course, and the discourse I used for I use for raising queries sometimes that I have, and usually the answers are really fast and it's helpful as well. But yeah, but I haven't used Discourse that much actually. I only use it for raising technical issues that I had with the course, but other than that, yeah, like I'm in certain WhatsApp groups that like will be study groups basically. That before exams they will just post Discourse. Threads that explain that some of the previous year papers had some discrepancy or some such like that. And in that case, it will be really helpful for the course instructor to come and clarify that there has been a mistake to this, because I will be confused on I am getting this answer, why is it marked as that in the previous paper. One thing was because I didn't have much on my hand, I was just basically free, so I wanted to do something that is actually resourceful. And one more thing is that my peer group that I got during my first semester, in SSN, the first semester students are all mixed. We actually sit in like mixed batches. So I have a lot of friends from computer science departments. So while learning Python, I was, I knew that they were really competitive, and we actually, uh, get into the nitty gritties of Python, and I was really loving that aspect. So even after my first sum completed and second sum we got separated into our departments, I was really enjoying the aspect. I was still talking to my computer science friends, and yeah, I didn't want to feel left out basically. So that's why I wanted to do this. Like during the behavioral round, they asked how did you manage your time doing dual degree and stuff. And while in my technical round, they asked they asked the technical questions, and when I answered those, they just asked where did you learn all of this from. So that's where I gave them the answers. And my experience that I had in Paradox as well helped me during the behavioral interview, because I was able to give out real experiences that I had with people, so that I didn't have to make up fake stories just to answer behavioral questions. So which made my life somewhat easier. The most important aspect is that just don't go behind lucrative things such as like in this degree, even just doesn't, yeah, so just don't go behind the degree actually. Go behind the process of getting the degree. Instead of focusing just on the end result, just focus on the way to get it. That will make it more enjoyable actually. It will make you work towards the program, and in that way you will also get better marks as well as better outcomes of this program. Because at the end of the day, any degree is just any degree. Like the difference between IIT and the other colleges is that the standard of education here is higher. Other colleges also offer degree. The difference is that you have to research a lot more in this program to get to understand the concepts that are being taught here, and I think that is very important. We The students that are incoming, they have to do a lot of research on their own, get to understand what aspect or what subfield in this data science field interests them the most, and pursue towards that. So instead of just getting their own degree, they'll also get the knowledge and skills that are developed that will help them propel towards their future better.